Hi Libra, this is your girl, the Pixie Goddess at the Pixie Goddess Tarot. And one last time for the year 2021. Hi. This is a reading for Libra, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus sign. It's a sneak peek for the year 2022. It's a general reading, may or may not resonate with all of you. And this is not a gender specific or a time specific reading. So whenever you do get it, just go for it. Go ahead and switch it on and see the readings. I hope it resonates with you guys. Let's get started, Libra. Libra, why do I feel that you are yearning for someone? As if you have this bittersweet feeling about someone. You've got the Fool card to begin with. That's your major energy. Taking risks for 2022. Starting something new. Going ahead with some plans without thinking twice. So you're going to be very, you're going to take risks very often. You're going to be a risk taker, basically. Five of Pentacles. I think you're done with money issues and all. You're like, you know what? If I don't take the chances right now, I think I'm going to be stuck here for the rest of my life. And you don't want that. May is going to be a changing month, like a game changer for you. I'm not saying things are not going to move before that. They will. But May, things are going to pick up in a way that you hadn't imagined for yourself. Okay. You've got the Tower card, which is amazing also because something has to die before it can be reborn. And change is inevitable. Changes need to happen. And this change is something that you're going to welcome with open heart. Open arms, sorry. 16 is an important number. 7 is an important number. You've got the High Priestess, number 2. Guys, you're moving on a journey that you thought was over. Now you're picking the pieces up and moving again. And I think you've chosen the path that will lead you to your success, Libra. Definitely. Because you're braver, you're stronger, you're more courageous. You've got the Ace of Swords, major new beginning. Somebody's going to be offering you an apology that you thought was never going to come your way. They're going to be offering you an apology and giving you an offer, which will be good for your career, for your growth, mental growth, physical growth. You're going to be taking a lot of... Wow, you've got the Tower card again. I stopped what I was saying. Major changes coming your way, guys. Good changes. Strong changes, but good changes. The changes that you can withstand and you're going to be doing very well. And also, guys, I was going to say that you will be paying a lot of attention to your physical beauty because 2026 is 2022 is the 6th number. 6 is Venus, and that has got to do everything with love, beauty, luxury. So you're going to be paying attention to your beauty. Some of you could be going in for some cosmetic surgeries. Not that I promote them, but I think, yes, I can see that. You've got the Three of Swords. Something bad happened. Something deceptive happened in your past. Somebody broke your trust. Somebody let you down. And this is the person who's going to come back and say, I'm really sorry and I want to offer you something. Okay, that's going to be the offer. Now, may not be necessarily romantic. It could be somebody you worked with and they asked you to move away from the office or, just let you go because you weren't good enough or something and you felt betrayed because you had given a lot of your hard work and effort. You've got the World card. As I mentioned, you're going to be feeling, as cheesy as it may sound, on top of the world. But I'm seeing that there'll be a lot of traveling, a lot of movement, a lot of changes. Everything's that gone down in your life is going to come back up again, okay? So if you've been going through these times where you're like, what the hell is happening in my life? I mean, what did I do to deserve this? Guys, that is your karma that you need to go through, okay? Your soul chose this journey. Just go through it. because things are changing, times are changing in your favor, Libra. Okay. Oopsie. Eight of Pentacles. New work opportunities. Whatever field you're in, you'll be getting new work opportunities. And you're going to be taking them, jumping to them, and it's going to be good. January 8th is going to be an important date for you. So please keep a lookout on that. Okay. Knight of Swords. I think you're going to be more proactive. You're going to be an action taker rather than just planning. You're going to be executing more this year, which is good. I think there's some pending conversation that needs to happen. It's going to happen very soon, guys. Good news coming your way. Victory, feeling triumphant, feeling as if whatever you've gone through all this while was worth the pain. Number 6, June could be important for some of you. Got Justice, number 11. Wow. Wow. Your card, your energies, Libra. This is amazing. Really. If you've been going through some lawsuit or something legal, it's going to end up in your favor. Also, wherever you felt that you were wronged, you'll feel as if justice has been served. You'll get a closure, you'll get an apology, you'll get that credit which is due to you, okay? Oh, wow. I pulled out 3 cards. The Hanged Man. 12th of January, 3rd of January are going to be important. The Hangman shows that whatever you've gone through has changed your perspective in a way that you're going to only be seeing what you gained, what you learned, the good experiences, guys. Wow. The Lapwing is really irritated with something today. 9 of Cups, wish fulfillment, love coming your way, goodness coming your way, health, happiness. Literally, wishes coming true. Congratulations, you've got the Devil card, guys. Be aware that there is somebody from your past. Of course, the reading started with someone coming back. So yeah, I think you'll need to sit down with them and tell them to lay off, because I don't think you're going to go back to this person. Even if it's a business person, like a person you worked with, I think you're going to feel more powerful, better about your situation. You're going to feel as if you have the authority. And you're going to act like that, and you're going to be the authority figure of your life. Number 3 is important. March is important for you, the month of March. Just going to keep all these cards here so you can see them. This is amazing. Wow, Z, Libra. I'm so happy. One of my very close friends is a Libra girl, and she's done a lot in her life. Anyway, let's see some oracle messages. These will come out in the form of a yes and no answer, general guidance, or a timeline related answer. Okay, they are not directly related to your tarot. They are just additional messages. Remain positive, guys, and wait. Have patience, because success is already yours. But sometimes we need to wait because the time is not right, and we have to strike when the iron is hot, right? Otherwise, the energy we put in striking and the effort that we do will be futile. So just have faith, have patience. You're already on the right track, okay? Wow. Make your life a moving prayer, guys. Be devoted to your world. Your dreams. service to the world, and just make sure that you know that you're special and gifted. Okay, wow, you've been training for this for lifetimes. Whatever blessings that are coming your way, Libra, you've been training for these blessings for a lifetime. Now is the time to reap the fruit of your labor, guys. Conclusions are within reach. Wow. You're very close to achieving your goal. A time for healing. Luck is on your side. And adjustments are required because fiery climaxes are on the horizon. A Sagittarius person could be important. Now let's see an affirmation for you. I let an inner sense of quiet multiply each day as I strengthen my faith in the love of the universe. Of course. Libra, this was all for you. Thank you so much for giving the Pixie Goddess Tarot a chance to read for you. It was a complete honor. Thank you so much for always supporting me, loving me, and visiting my channel for more readings. Also, guys, have an amazing new year. Bye.